In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Moomoo options chain. First, let's make sure we're on the same page about what the options chain is. Think of it as a table that lists all available options contracts for a stock. You'll see call options for bullish views, put options for bearish views, the strike prices those contracts are tied to, the expiration dates, and the live pricing and data that help you make decisions. Start by opening the Moomoo app or desktop platform. Search for a stock, like AAPL as an example. Tap Options, then select Options Chain. That brings up the full table where all the action happens. Understanding the layout is crucial. On the left side are calls, which benefit if the stock price goes up. On the right side are puts, which benefit if the stock price goes down. In the middle are the strike prices, the levels the contracts are built around. Each row in this table represents a single options contract tied to a specific strike and expiration. Now let's break down the key columns you'll rely on. Bid and ask show the highest price buyers are willing to pay, and the lowest price sellers will accept. You typically buy at the ask, and tighter spreads generally mean better liquidity. Volume shows how many contracts traded today, which signals current interest. Open interest shows how many contracts remain open overall. Higher numbers often mean easier entries and exits. Implied volatility reflects the market's expectation of future movement. Higher IV makes options pricier and more sensitive to swings. Delta tells you how much the options price is expected to move for a $1 move in the stock. For example, a delta of 0.5 suggests the option moves about 50 cents for every $1 move in the stock. Next, choose your expiration date at the top. Weeklies are short-term and move quickly, while monthly expirations are generally more stable. If you're newer, giving yourself more time often makes managing the trade easier. Then pick your strike price. In the money, contracts cost more but are typically safer. At the money is a balanced choice. Out of the money is cheaper but riskier and needs the stock to move. If you're bullish, consider buying a call near the current price with healthy volume. If you're bearish, consider buying a put. Tap a specific contract to analyze it. You'll see a profit and loss chart, the break-even price, and detailed Greeks like delta, gamma, and theta. Review these carefully before placing an order. When you're ready, tap Trade, choose Buy or Sell, set your quantity, and confirm the order after reviewing the details. Take your time, double-check the pricing, and you're set.